Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amber. This is About That Mama Life. So today we're going to be talking about this marble accent dip mani that I did, and I'm going to kind of walk you through the tutorial, and let's get into the video.
Okay, so we're going to start with the peel base. I'm going to do a full coat cuticle to tip on all of my nails. Beware of this though, it is almost too good and your nails may pop off like the next day. So I would only use this if you change your nails often like me. So that's my spiel on that. So we're going to start off with my Sparkle & Co. liquids and Delicate White, which is this beautiful frosty white color. These are a couple of grays that came in my original Model 1's starter kit. I got that off Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and start in with my base coat, and I'm going to do a full coat top to bottom. This frosty white color is so buttery and soft and easy to work with. Like you'll see later, I almost don't even need to file. It's so awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 dips of the white on all of my nails, and then we'll get into marbling. So while you guys watch me do my dips, I will tell you in this video I change angles quite a bit. Oh, here we go. New angle. I'm going in with my second dip on all of my nails here. Just trying to get the hang of what angle looks best. I've tried filming with my filming camera, with my phone, so just kind of bear with me. I'm trying out a few different things here to see what I like. So I'm just continuing on here doing my full coat of my base coat, dipping into the Delicate White, and then if I do have any little messes, I'm cleaning them up with a cuticle stick. Now we get into the fun part. I'm putting about a spoonful of that Delicate White color in a bowl. Then I'm going to take my little cuticle tool and dip into this gray and just kind of place it in there randomly. And this is a couple shades darker. I'm putting that on there too to give it a couple different colors. And then I'm swirling it around, putting in more gray, swirling it around, and just getting that desired marble effect. Once I have it how I like it, I'm going to paint my full nail, cuticle to tip with the base coat, and then I'm not dipping my nail in this powder. I'm placing it on there, tapping it off, and then just kind of brushing away that excess. I'm doing 2 nails in the marble and leaving the other 3 white. And there's my second nail. I really, really love how this came out, and it was so easy. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my third dip of the Delicate White. I typically do 3 to 4 dips per nail depending on what I'm working with. That's the thickness that I like, and these powders are so thin and beautiful that they don't get chunky, and you can really layer them up to your desired thickness, and they don't get, gross and chunky on you. So here I am finishing my pinky. It's my third dip of the white. And I'm just kind of brushing away any excess powder. Now we're going to go in with the clear, and I'm going to go ahead and do clear on top of those marble nails. This will give me a little bit of room when I file and buff so that I don't buff away that marble design. So whenever you're working with nail art designs, glitter, typically you want to put a layer of clear or 2 over so that when you do get into the buffing, you don't buff away what you just created. And I'm just cleaning up under my nails a little bit on the sides where I got a little too much base under there and made my nails stick to my skin. Now I'm going in with my activator, and I'm just going to put a generous amount of that on all of my nails. This is the part that will activate your dip powder and harden it. Get it ready for filing. As we get ready to go into filing, I'm going to go ahead and speed through this very quickly. You'll notice that all I needed to do was just clean up the shape of my nails with a file and then just very lightly buff around the edges. Honestly, I didn't really even need to touch this with a file, but I was scared if I didn't that it would be grainy and gross looking. So I just kind of cleaned it up a little bit here so you guys can watch while I finish this step, and we'll be back for the top coat. Okay, so I finished up filing and buffing all of my nails. Now we're going to go back into Activator. I'm going to do a quick coat on all of my nails just to hammer down any of that loose powder and to cure your glossy coat. Now I'm going in with my top coat. This is also Sparkle & Co.'s Glossy 2.0. I'm doing my first layer on all of my nails. And give it just 1 second to dry down. Usually 30 seconds to a minute is all I need. And then I go in with a nice thick second coat. This is what really gives it that nice hard protection and that beautiful shine. And here we are. Please excuse my roughed up, cut up nail cuticles. Just life. So here's my non-dominant hand. And here's the one you saw me working on. I love it.
So that was it. This was my first attempt. It was very easy, and I can do it, you can do it. I hope y'all like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. You can check out some of my other nail videos here and subscribe to my channel here. See y'all in the next video. Bye.